Hi, today we are going to talk about how to add a TA to a course. When you enter the Canvas page, go on to the left side, look down and find People. On the top right corner, you can find the Add People. We have three choices to add a student. One is email address, login ID, and SIS ID. Both login ID and SIS ID is the 9-digit San Jose State ID. And the email address is not SJSU ID, it's the email address when the student is applying to San Jose State University. After you type in the email, click Next, Add Users, and on the right hand side there's three dots. Click on it, you can choose Edit Role. In the role drop down list, you can choose either Teacher, TA, or Peer Educator, and we're choosing TA for this time. And that will be all for this video.